Today we are solving the JEE Advanced Physics question paper 2019. Here in this question the mass and angular momentum are dimensionless. If length has dimension L, then we can write the mass is dimensionless, so mass M equal to m0 L0 T0. Angular momentum J is equals to m L square T to the power minus 1. This is angular momentum, and L is length. So now we can write this angular momentum m L square T to the power minus 1 is equal to dimensionless mass. From this two we can write L square is equal to T. So power P equals to m L square T to the power minus 2 into L T to the power minus 1. This is the dimension of power. So m L square T to the power minus 3, as L square is equals to T, so we can write L square into L to the power minus 6, as m is 0 dimension and L square is equals to T. So the dimension of power is equals to L to the power minus 4. This is the dimension of power. What is the dimension of energy or work? Dimension of energy or work W equals to m L T to the power minus 2 into L is equals to, here also dimension of m is 0 and L square L to the power minus 4, as L square is equals to T. So we can write this equals to L to the power minus 2. Then force F equals to m L T to the power minus 2 is equals to, here is also same, m is dimensionless and as L square is equals to T, so L into L to the power minus 4. This equals to L to the power minus 3. So linear momentum P equals to m L T to the power minus 1 is equal to L into L to the power minus 2. So this is L to the power minus 1, as this L square equals to T. So from the question the dimension of force is here L to the power minus 3. Dimension of force is L to the power minus 3, and the dimension of energy is L to the power minus 2, and the dimension of power is L to the power minus 5 is incorrect. The dimension of force is L to the power minus 3 is correct. Dimension of energy is L to the power minus 2 is correct, but dimension of power is L to the power minus 5 is incorrect, and the dimension of linear momentum is L to the power minus 1 is correct option. These three, for linear momentum, energy and the force, these three options are correct for this question. So that's all for today.